In this video, I'm dropping 5 side hustles you can start today. All you need is your phone. No fancy equipment, no crazy investments, just you, your phone, and the hustle to make some serious cash. First up, we got freelance writing. Seriously, if you can write a killer email or craft a tweet that's fire, you can do this. Tons of businesses need people to write blog posts, website content, you name it. And the best part? You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr right from your phone. We're talking potentially hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month. It's all about finding your niche, delivering quality work, and watching that money roll in. So how do you get started? First, figure out what you love to write about. Maybe you're a tech whiz, a fashion fanatic, or a history buff. Whatever your jam, there's an audience out there waiting for your words. Next, create profiles on those freelance platforms, highlight your skills, and start pitching. Remember, consistency is key. The more you write, the better you get, and the more money you make. Next up, we're diving into the world of online tutoring. If you're a whiz kid in math, a science guru, or fluent in another language, this one's for you. There's a massive demand for online tutors, and you can connect with students worldwide using apps like Schooly or TutorMe right from your phone. It's all about sharing your knowledge, helping students succeed, and getting paid for it. Think about it. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with Wi-Fi, and make a real difference in someone's education. Plus, the earning potential is insane. Depending on your subject and experience, you could be making $20, $30, even $50 an hour or more. It's all about finding your niche, marketing your skills, and delivering top-notch tutoring sessions. Become a social media mastermind. Let's be real, everyone's on social media these days. But did you know you can get paid to manage it for businesses? That's right. Tons of companies need help with their online presence, and that's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're the brains behind the gram, creating engaging content, scheduling posts, and interacting with followers. And the best part? You can do it all from your phone. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer make it super easy to manage multiple accounts, track your results, and crush the social media game. To find clients, hit up local businesses, network online, and showcase your social media skills. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your phone into a money-making machine. Be the ultimate phone-based boss. Ever wish you could be your own boss and work from anywhere? Well, becoming a virtual assistant might be your calling. Virtual assistants are like superheroes for entrepreneurs and businesses, handling everything from emails and scheduling to customer service and social media. And guess what? You can rock this role entirely from your phone. There are tons of websites and apps dedicated to connecting VAs with clients, like Upwork, Fiverr, and even dedicated VA platforms. The flexibility is off the charts. You can set your own hours, work from your couch, and build a career that fits your life. Plus, the earning potential is pretty sweet. Experienced VAs can make some serious bank, especially if they specialize in high-demand skills. Turn your clutter into cash. Last but not least, let's talk about selling products online. That's right, you can turn your phone into a mobile storefront and start raking in the dough. Whether it's vintage clothes, handmade crafts, or even digital products, there's a market for everything. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Poshmark make it super easy to list your items, connect with buyers, and start selling. First things first, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique items can you offer? Once you've got your products lined up, it's all about creating killer listings with high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Don't forget to promote your shop on social media, engage with potential buyers, and provide top-notch customer service. With a little hustle and a whole lot of heart, you can build a thriving online business right from your phone. So there you have it, 5 incredible side hustles you can start right now using just your phone. No more excuses, guys. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start making it happen. Remember, the key is to take action. Choose a side hustle that excites you, put in the work, and watch as your bank account grows. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to quit your 9 to 5 and pursue your passions full-time. And if you really want to take your hustle to the next level, hit that subscribe button, because I'm constantly dropping game-changing content to help you win with money.